Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now, what are actually the keyframes and how to use it and why you have to use the keyframes? You need the keyframes in order to do some animation in your footage, and in this video right here I will show you exactly how to use the keyframes to make some simple and small animations. So what I'm gonna do right now, after importing my video, then put it into the timeline. Now what you should do is to activate the video that you are going to make the effects on, then go up here and click effects controls, and it will show you this window right here. You have the motion, position, scale and other options right here. Now what you have to do in order to make a keyframe is to first click on this icon right here, which looks like the stopwatch. So I'm gonna make some animations to the position and scale. So I'm gonna click on this icon. As you can see, it becomes blue. Then I will also animate the scale, so I'm gonna activate also this icon right here. And as you can see here, there are two icons that appear here in the right side. So these are the items that we can use also to add more keyframes. Now just let me increase the size of this window right here and click on this thing right here in order to zoom in inside your footage. And as you can see here, we have two keyframes at the beginning of the footage. So this is the start point of my animation. And now here I want to do like zoom in this area right here. So I'm gonna use this marker in order to move in the timeline for a couple of seconds, as you can see right here. And now if you want to add new keyframes, all you have to do is to click on this icon right here, and this is for the creation of a new keyframe for the position. And if you want to make a new keyframe for the scale, you have also to click on this icon beside the scale. So click on it, and if you want to move between the keyframes, all you have to do is to use these arrows right here. So if you want to go back to the previous keyframe, exactly to the previous keyframe, all you have to do is to go and click on this icon right here, as you can see. And if you want to go to the next keyframe, just click on this icon right here, and instead of moving the marker, and you will miss the exact position of the keyframe. So now if you want to move between them, just do like this. Okay, now I have to do my animation. So the animation will start from this two keyframes right here and will end into these two keyframes right here. So I'm gonna change the values of these two options right here. So I'm gonna first change the scale 250 for example. Then I'm gonna change the position right here. You can change it by using this icon right here. Click on it, then click on motion and drag with your mouse like this, or you can hold left click, then use your mouse to go right then left. And if you want to change the vertical line, hold and move your mouse up and down. It's very easy and simple. Okay, now let's see our animation. As you can see right here, it does like small animation to zoom in inside this area right here. But if I want now to make it faster, all I have to do is to near the keyframes from each other, as you can see, and this will make my animation faster, as you can see right now. Now my animation is much faster, but I want to make it more faster in order to recognize and notice the difference. Now I have made them very close to each other. Now you can play it. As you can see now, it's much more faster, and you can make it even faster by making them near from each other. And you can do the opposite and make it slower by making them far from each other, as you can see. And you can actually add more than a keyframe in the same time, and you can change the value of each keyframe. So all you have to do now is to try it yourself and try to make some animations using these keyframes. It needs a lot of practice in order to make good animations, and you can also use these keyframes in every one of these effects. You can do it in the position, scale, rotation, anchor point, or any other things that has this stopwatch icon right here. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.